This is a foot valve. It is used to prevent backflow of liquids. It keeps the pump primed, allowing liquid to flow in but not letting it flow back out, making them ideal for use in water, milk, and salad ATMs. To replace a faulty foot valve, you ensure the machine is switched off to avoid any damage. Put a thread tape on the pneumatic connecting the pipe and the foot valve and then tightly screw it back onto the foot valve. Once done, insert the pipe to the foot valve and put it back to the machine as demonstrated in the video.